Bluetooth on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is turned on, but still not finding any nearby devices and keeps showing no devices found while scanning? Don't worry, here's the quick fix for the problem. First, make sure Bluetooth is actively searching for nearby devices and the device you want to connect is in pairing mode. Many devices like earbuds, speakers, or watches won't appear unless pairing mode is enabled. If it's already on, try turning the device off and back on. Then, enable pairing mode again and scan from your phone. Sometimes temporary Bluetooth files can get corrupted and prevent the phone from detecting nearby devices. Open Settings, then tap Apps. Tap the Filter or Sort icon near Your Apps and enable Show System Apps. Now, search for Bluetooth and tap on it. Go to Storage, then clear cache and data if it's showing. After that, restart your phone and try scanning for devices again. If Bluetooth still isn't finding any devices, resetting the network settings can refresh the system drivers for Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth. Open Settings, then go to General Management. Tap Reset. Then select Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings depending on your device. Confirm the reset and wait for the process to finish. Keep in mind, this will remove saved Wi-Fi networks and previously paired Bluetooth devices, so you'll need to reconnect them afterward. Sometimes an outdated Quick Share service can interfere with nearby device detection. Go to Settings again, then Connected Devices. Choose Quick Share. Scroll down to About Quick Share and check that any update is available or not. If available, update it immediately. And finally, if you still can't find your device, it might be an issue with the device itself. Just reset your Bluetooth device and then try pairing it again. That's it. These steps usually fix the Bluetooth No Devices Found issue on Samsung phones.